Hello guys, I want to start this video under these banana plants. I don't know if we can call it tree because it's a kind of big flower that after when I have the banana is so heavy that flat like this upside down. This banana should be ready to cut it and collect, but they are not my banana, so I will go to the market and buy the banana for the video. If you want some video about the market here in Thailand, let me know down in the comment. So see you inside the kitchen for our sun-dried banana. For the sun-dried bananas, of course you need the bananas plus 1 liter of water. In the water I put 2-3 tablespoons of sea salt without iodium. You still little bit until the salt melt. What kind of banana you can use it? I am in Thailand. This kind of banana is the one that they use it to dry and also to fry because it's more firm. But I know that not everybody living in Thailand, so I will make this recipe with a kind of experiment. I will use 4 different kind of banana. This one they are specific. If somebody know the name of different kind of banana, you can help me writing down in the comment because I tried to make some research and the things were very complicated and I was more confused than before. So this is the classic banana that I use it. This is the banana that I ate more or less every day. They are again short, smaller and very soft. They melt in your mouth. Very, very spectacular, like a candy. The other kind is this one. They are very small and long. Probably this one is called ladyfinger, but not sure. And a classic banana, so that everybody can find in the supermarket. I take this in the 7-Eleven. You don't know what is the 7-Eleven? Probably you never been in Thailand. They are all over. It's a kind of oasis because inside you can find everything, also the coffee. So now I will peel my banana. I will put in the water with the salt. We left the banana in the water and salt for at least 10 minutes. After we put in a tray under the sun. Remember, same principle of the sun-dried tomatoes. In the morning you put under the sun. When the sun goes down, you put your banana inside because if they get the humidity from the night, they will molt. Remember? From the color of the bananas, you can notice that there are 4 different kinds of banana. The following morning, we turn them upside down and we put under the sun. Good morning. The third day, they are a little bit chewy, little bit elastic, so it's the right time to smash them. So with your fingers or with your hand like this, you work a little bit the banana. The banana after a few seconds will be soft and you can smash the banana and make the banana flat. You put on the tray and again under the sun. I start with the classic one that they dry here in Thailand. And now I will go ahead with the other. At the end, I let you know which one is better, or if you can do the same things with all kind of bananas. If they decided to dry this kind of banana, there is a reason. It's much easier because it's more firm and less sticky. The other one are soft and sticky. So let's see. Now I put them under the sun. I will update you when they are ready. These one are very small. You can eat already like a candy, but let's wait until they are more firm. Spectacular. The small one are like a candy. If you like banana, you should try it. Now I'll show you the different one. But the most important things is that you can dry also the big one, the classic banana that you can find worldwide. Now I'll show you. Spectacular. So the very interesting thing is that all of them have a different taste and different texture. The small one is like a candy. This one a little bit more firm and different taste. I don't know, more like caramel. The classic one, they are more sweet and more soft. And this one are more firm. Now I'll show you. Spectacular too. So this one, sometimes they put a little bit of honey and they store like this. About the big one, I forgot to mention before, my friends from India, they cut in slices and they dry like this. You can divide it in two. In this way it will dry better. Because like this one is a little bit soft, maybe you can put under the sun 6 days instead of 5 days, so up to you. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try to make it, let us know down in the comment if you have some advice, if you dry other kind of fruit, or if you have done my sun-dried tomatoes. You find the recipe here. Let us know down in the comment. Bye bye. They are perfect for healthy snack, especially if you go to the gym or if you need to swim and want to be well fit for the sun bath, or for the breakfast. They are perfect. You cut in small pieces, yogurt, cereal and sun-dried banana. Bye bye.